What's up? How y'all doing? What's up, fam? Tube, Facebook, rest of y'all, how y'all doing? Thought I'd give y'all a checkup. Let you know I'm coming. Oh, well, shit. Trying to do these floors. See, I done cut out the bottom there. It's a mess. But, this is not a facto. I don't care, man. I'm telling you, I'm just fixing this joke to drive and not to sell. So, there you see how badly rusted that bottom floor was. And I had to cut the rest of it out because it was real bad. And, this was bad. And it is still bad. But I'm going to weld up to that. Hope that I can do it. I think that's galvanized or something. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to weld that bugger in. And I'm welding in, but I know it is not going to rust because I'm going to put that hard as nails in between there. Clamp it down real good. On this side, seal it up with some seam sealer. And hopefully it won't rust. It's going to be in there though. Ain't nobody going to fall through that. I wish I could put some other type of, support right there. But I don't think I'm going to be standing on that or no one else really. When they get out there, put their foot out on the ground. They're going to be standing right there. Unless they're in the sunroof. Because I plan on putting the sunroof in this joker, man. I imagine that people probably be standing up in that motherfucker. Anyway, there's my friend Derek would say, doodabbers. They are painted with that chassis saver. So after I do that, then I'm going to put that, mix up some of that hard as nails. And mix that hard as nails up. Then the last time I did it, that was my chassis saver. Just so y'all can see, I'm using chassis saver. See that? That's that antique satin. I tell you, man, I got a good deal off of this, man. I got 2 for 1 because the first one that they sent me, it was all messed up, but it was still usable and I used it. So that was good luck coming my way because this stuff is pretty damn expensive. Anyway, so after I put that stuff on it, I got this stuff on my hand. Oh, don't get that stuff on your hand, people. See, this hand is clean. You see that? I messed around, went all that way and got it on my hand. That won't come on. It'll take a hard time to get this stuff off. Anyway, yeah, you see. I'm going to put that hard as nails on there. And seal that joker on this side. Then I'm going to go. It's gonna be time to weld. Then I got those other sides in there. You can't see them because it's all dusty and rusty, but they over there. They in there, running back. And I'll get these all, sealed up today. And I believe next weekend, if the Lord let it happen, which is Father's Day weekend, I think I'm gonna start welding these floors in. Yep. Then I'll be finished. With the body work, with the metal work, not body work, metal work on the floors. Then after I move from there, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this big hump back here. You see that hump? Yeah, I showed it to you before. Right there. Don't nobody see it. You don't need me breaking my back trying to bend it out when there's no real reason for it. Unless of course the seats are all messed up. So I don't know if I'm gonna fool with that or not. But I am going to, the Lord let me now. I am going to, weld it down, put some sealant on it. Some what do you call that stuff? Fiber. Then after I put that fiber on it, then I'm gonna put some epoxy primer on it. Then after I put that epoxy primer on it, no. After I put that, what do you call that stuff? Even before I put that stuff on there, what do you call that stuff? That sealant. I think even before I put sealant on there, but I don't know. I think I might put the sealant on there. The whatever the fuck you call that shit, fiberglass stuff on there first, then put that on there. But I don't know. I have to think about that. Anyway, maybe somebody might be able to help me. By the time I put it on YouTube, you've been done. I've been a major decision anyway. So what the hell? Anyway, Mr. Mellow, I'm going off. I got to clean my brush up. This brush lasts me a little while. I'm gonna clean it up. Second time I used it, so I won't be using it anymore. I don't think, unless I use it on the cowl. Up there. So ain't no need me messing with a pretty good brush. I can just put it in the thinner, and it'll be ready for the next go. Talk to y'all later. Let me see if y'all can see my face. Let me see. What's up? It's too close. Yeah. Alright. That's what's happening. June 2016. Trying to get the bird going. Yeah. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Yeah.